Well, as you can see, I'm all ready for summer here. We're going to be making a really delicious watermelon salad today. And it's a kind of salad that mixes up fruit with a bit of green like arugula. Now, it's also totally delicious, exactly as we're going to make it if you make it with diced peaches. So just be aware that you can change this up to a summer fruit that of your choosing. But I've got to tell you, it's totally delicious this way. So first of all, we're going to start off by making the vinaigrette. Now, I'm going to do this French style. I've got a smashed clove of garlic, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to rub it hard around the bottom of the bowl. That's going to release garlic juice into the bowl. Onto that, I'm going to be putting some vinegar. And some salt. Now this is what we call our summer vinaigrette. Now I'm just going to swish that around so that until the vinegar till the vinegar melts. Now I'm just looking around for my whisk, which I now have. Okay, so I'm going to whisk in the olive oil. That's fabulous. And then I'm going to be putting in some summer herbs. We've got some basil leaves here. That smells so good. And some lightly chopped mint. They're both from the same family and both incredibly aromatic and delicious. So I'm just going to mix these in. Now I'm going to put in a bit of water into this. It will lighten the dressing. Now this dressing is one part vinegar, 2 parts oil and 1 part water. But what we're going to do now is going to put in the watermelon. And I'm also going to put on top of this some lightly chopped shallots. And I'm going to toss it together. And I'm just going to make a little hole in the middle, into which I'm going to pile all of the watermelon. And this is feta cheese. Now, I like to put it on top and then toss it later, because what will happen with feta is that it will turn everything kind of pink and creamy looking, and I like to keep things, I mean, that's so pretty already. So we're just going to but that is kind of it. You can put a little bit more on if you want, but I think watermelon with all those different herby tastes on is absolutely delicious. Try it.